basically a product tag lets you attach different pieces of information to that product, so that when I'm searching for that product on your website, when I search for something, I see that product. So, for example, this dunk, I can search Nike shoes. When I search Nike shoes, you as the seller, you like for me, the customer, to see this panda dunk, right? So let's do an example. So for tags, you go to, you open the product, scroll to more info, optional, expand that section, then go to tags. So tags, you can attach as many as you like. So I can say fire, panda dunks, Nike. So then what I'll do is I'll attach something unique that for sure, if we search for it, we'll only see this product. Let me do it, then you'll see, then you'll follow. So we'll say add a tag. Then now I can say something like a unique tag. For case of course, it will be something like, because this is related to SEO, search engine optimization. When I search for something, because me as a customer, I might not know the exact title for this product, but you can guess the titles or the keywords that the customer will be searching for in order to find this specific product. So now let's attach it. What was it? A unique tag. Attach. Yeah, a unique tag. Then we save. What's that? Got it. Select all. All those tags. So if I search for, what was the keyword? The keyword was a unique tag. Now notice I only see the panda dunks because I attached that specific keyword to this product. So you can play around with it. This is how you optimize your search engine, the search engine on your website, so that because you know your customers, you know the keywords for, you know your products, and you understand the keywords that resonate with each of your products.